in this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add transitions between your clips in Premiere Pro. Okay, so it's very straightforward and simple. If you don't have a subscription to third-party transitions, Premiere Pro does have some built in that you can use. Okay, so you'll need this effects panel right here. If you're not seeing the effects panel, go to the top where it says window, and you want to make sure that effects is actually enabled. Okay, once you see the effects panel, you can see at the bottom it says video transitions. Hit the drop down on the video transitions and you get a couple here that you can use, like dissolve, immersive video, iris, and so on and so forth. So for an example, if I wanted to use this page peel one, I can hit the drop down, then you get various page peel transitions, and all you have to do is drag it between your clips. So I'll use this first one right here. I'll drag it in between my two clips like that, and as you can see, I'll make this bigger. You can see the transition is actually applied between the two clips. That little orange box is the transition. So if I play this now, you should be able to see the transition, and there it is right there. Okay, and you can just do that with any one of these transitions, and you can be quite creative with these and have some nice transitions in your video. So that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.